Sup 9-year-olds, I'm at a store and this is a tournament and I got a Unified Minds box because I can, so I am.
How do I open it?
Oh, right.
Yeah, I am.
How do I open
There's stuff in here, so let's open it because I can. And I'm a kid. Yeah, so
I don't know how to open it.
I'm gonna pause it while I can open this. Okay, so 9-year-olds, we just got the box open. Epic! You got the thing. I got a thing, and we got 4 Paco Laccos. So we're gonna open these Pacos because
Let's go guard shot.
Yangoose. Okay, I'm gonna hide
the card trick, Nicholas?
I'm gonna hide the codes. I'm not.
Oh my god!
Oh, look it! Someone got a Mewtwo. Bruh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oof.
Dark energy.
Hey, Alec.
Thing. Denny. Card. Thing.
Oh, also remember during Easter?
6. Oh my god! He's on GX! Oh my god!
Alec, we're indoors. I know you're...
Oh my god. It's only a rainbow rare.
I know.
You can be excited, but
It's
remember,
okay. People are very excited.
Oh my god.
Some kid got a rainbow rare.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's okay, okay? Okay, bros, we're gonna be imploding kittens. Okay? No codes for you guys. 3, 4. I'll reveal the codies at the end, okay?
Oh, good.
Energy, supply. Okay. Lapras.
Ooh, this is a good thing.
Card.
Fracture and
Mellow. Litwick.
Let's go second.
Fit Cubone. Yanma. And oh yes, let's go! Heck yeah!
Hey,
I don't know how to. I don't know what it does. Move 3 damage counters from one of your opponent's Pokemon to another Pokemon. That is sick. That is
There we
good.
go.
I wish I brought sleeves, but
Thank you.
it's a Grimsley full art.
I got 2 more packs left.
Okay, I got the Mewtwo's. Hopefully I get Mewtwo's out of my Mewtwo's. But I probably won't get anything better than the Grimsley because that's how Pokemon works. And they try to balance out everything. But most of the time you only get greeny codes because it's Pokemon. And I just showed the code. Screw this, it's a greenie. Unified Minds, there you go. 2, 3, 4, oh whatever, here. There's just a bunch of garbage out of this deck. It's fine though.
Let's go.
I don't know what cards I'm... Final pack A until I have to start building my deck. Oh crap, I just got it. Oh, let's go guys, another whitey code. Oh crap, my phony is dead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hecka white code. Yeah, hold on, let me finish this pack. Yeah.
Okay.
Got a card. I know I got a card. Let's go, a Dragonite.
Any GXs?
Yeah, Tappa, that is kind of garbage because it's so expensive. But yeah, this kid got a thing that I'm gonna need. So
no, you cannot have it.
Grimsley for it. No. So that was sick. We got 2 Ultimate Cards gamers. And thanks for watching. I don't care.